Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Anurag Singh Thakur launched the nationwide Fit India Freedom Rider Cycle Rally at Major Dhyan Chand Stadium in New Delhi on World Bicycle Day this morning. Referring to the concept of lifestyle for environment, LIFE, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has shared a picture of Mahatma Gandhi riding a bicycle. He said, "It is a World Bicycle Day today, and who better than Mahatma Gandhi to take inspiration from to lead a sustainable and healthy lifestyle." In Meghalaya, a similar cycle rally was organized in Tura. In Shillong, Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan today organized a cycle rally in the capital city Shillong to mark the World Bicycle Day. Additional Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District M.S. Sangma flagged off the rally from Youth Hostel Shillong in the morning. A total of 75 cyclists, both men and women of different age groups, participated in the rally that also commemorates Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, India at 75.